The 6 words you have to know and be masters of: income, expense, asset, liability, cash flow.
Hey there, Financial Intellect family! Are you ready to challenge the traditional saving methods and take a bold leap into wealth multiplication? Today, we're on a thrilling quest to uncover the secrets of multiplying your investments and moving beyond conventional cash savings. With the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, the maestro behind the cash flow quadrant, we're about to embark on a journey to unlock the doors to financial success. So buckle up and prepare to transform your financial perspective.
Everybody can do it if you want to do it. Everybody can do it if you want to do it.
Why keeping cash in the bank may not be the best move? First off, let's tackle a common misconception: keeping all your cash in the bank. Sure, it feels safe, but here's the twist. Your money isn't growing significantly. It's like planting a seed and never watering it. It won't flourish. Inflation can slowly erode the value of your cash, reducing its purchasing power over time. It's like watching your money shrink in slow motion. Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant explains how sticking to the employee or self-employed sectors often leads to this exact scenario. They miss out on the wealth-building opportunities in the business owner and investor quadrants. The real magic happens when you let your money work for you, not the other way around. Assets over cash, the Kiyosaki philosophy. In the landscape of personal finance, understanding the distinction between assets and cash is crucial. Assets, as defined in the financial wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, are resources that actively contribute to your wealth.
So an asset, if the money is flowing into your income statement, it's an asset.
They are not just static holdings. They are dynamic entities that work in your favor. Assets can be varied. They might include real estate properties that yield rental income, stocks that pay dividends, businesses that generate profits, or bonds that accrue interest. The common thread among all these assets is their ability to generate income or grow in value over time. This growth could come from capital appreciation, as in the case of real estate or stocks, or from income generation, such as the interest from bonds or profits from a business. These assets are like seeds that, when planted and nurtured, grow into robust trees, bearing fruit in the form of ongoing income and increased value. On the other hand, cash, while essential for daily transactions and short-term financial stability, can be a liability in the long-term wealth-building perspective.
So the average person, they go out and they buy a house. They say, oh, it's an asset. But every month, it's flowing straight to the bank.
The primary drawback of holding large amounts of cash is its susceptibility to inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of cash over time, meaning that the value of cash today will not hold the same value in the future. For instance, what $100 can buy today might not be able to buy a few years down the line due to the rising cost of goods and services. Therefore, when cash is left idle, it's not just sitting there. It's gradually losing its value. This erosion of value is a silent yet significant detriment to long-term financial health. Moreover, cash does not provide the growth opportunities that assets do. While assets have the potential to increase in value or generate income, cash lacks this capability. By not being invested, cash misses out on potential gains that could be earned through assets. This opportunity cost, the loss of potential gain from other alternatives when one alternative is chosen, is a critical consideration in financial planning. 10 times your investments with these asset types. In the realm of financial growth and wealth building, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the transformative power of transitioning from being an employee or self-employed individual to embracing the role of a business owner. The shift is not just a change in occupation, but a fundamental reorientation towards wealth creation and financial independence. Consider the story of Sarah, who inherited $100,000 and was faced with a pivotal decision: to play it safe by depositing the money in a bank, or to pursue her entrepreneurial dream of opening a bakery. Opting for the latter, she stepped into the world of business ownership. 5 years down the line, her bakery has not only survived, but thrived, providing her with a steady and comfortable income. The journey from inheritance to a flourishing business exemplifies the essence of entrepreneurship, the courage to convert dreams and risks into profitable and sustainable ventures. Venturing into real estate introduces another dimension of wealth building. Real estate investment, particularly in rental properties, stands as a cornerstone in the architecture of wealth. It's not merely about owning a physical asset. It's about strategic investment and leveraging market dynamics. Real estate offers the dual benefit of appreciation over time and the generation of steady cash flow through rental income. It's akin to having a golden goose that regularly produces valuable eggs. Strategic real estate investment involves more than just buying a property. It requires a deep understanding of market trends, property valuation, and the art of property management. In essence, real estate can be a game changer in one's investment portfolio, offering long-term financial benefits and stability. Diversification into commodities, such as gold, offers a unique advantage. Commodities serve as a hedge against economic uncertainties and market volatility. In times of inflation or economic downturns, the value of commodities like gold often increases, protecting and potentially enhancing the value of your investment. Investing in commodities is akin to building a financial fortress, safeguarding your wealth against the unpredictable tides of the economy. This strategy not only diversifies your investment portfolio, but also provides a sense of security, knowing that part of your wealth is anchored in assets that have historically held their value across various economic conditions. Lastly, the realm of paper assets, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds presents a world brimming with potential for wealth growth. The allure of these assets lies in their ability to leverage the power of compounding interest. For example, investing $30,000 in a well-diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds holds the potential to double in value over a decade. This growth is not just a result of market performance, but also the magic of compounding, where the returns on your investment generate the returns over time. Paper assets offer the flexibility and liquidity that other investment forms may not, allowing investors to tap into a wide range of industries and sectors. Their potential for significant returns over time, combined with the option of diversifying across various asset classes, make them an integral part of a balanced and growth-oriented investment strategy. Transforming cash into wealth-building assets. Embarking on a journey of financial growth and investment begins with a crucial step: education. In the intricate world of finance, knowledge truly is power. To navigate this realm effectively, one must continuously seek out learning opportunities. This could involve attending workshops, delving into books authored by financial experts, and absorbing the wisdom of successful investors. Each piece of knowledge acquired is like a tool added to your financial toolkit, enhancing your ability to make astute investment decisions. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to discern opportunities from pitfalls, understand the nuances of different investment vehicles, and strategize your financial moves wisely. However, acquiring knowledge is just one part of the equation. The next step is to put this knowledge into practice, and that's where the principle of starting small and scaling smartly comes into play. One of the most common misconceptions about investing is that it requires substantial initial capital. The truth is that the journey to financial abundance can begin with modest means. The key is to start with whatever resources you have, no matter how small they may seem. Begin by investing small amounts, and as you gain more confidence and experience through your investment journey, you can gradually increase your stakes. This approach not only minimizes your initial risk, but also allows you to learn and adapt your strategies as you progress. It's about building momentum and growing your investment at a pace that aligns with your increasing financial acumen and comfort level. In addition to self-education and starting small, another critical aspect of successful investing is seeking professional advice. Navigating the financial landscape can be complex and at times overwhelming. This is where financial advisors come in. They bring a wealth of knowledge and experience, offering personalized advice tailored to your unique financial situation and goals. A professional advisor can help you understand various investment options, evaluate their risks and returns, and construct a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. This can also help you avoid common pitfalls that many investors fall into, such as emotional decision-making or chasing market trends without a clear strategy. Consulting with financial advisors is more than just a learning exercise. It's a partnership that can empower you to make informed, strategic decisions that drive your financial growth and stability. As we wrap up this financial exploration, remember, your journey to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. With the right mindset, knowledge, and strategies, you can transform your financial landscape. If you found this guide insightful, hit that subscribe button and join our Financial Intellect community for more empowering content. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll reveal even more strategies for financial success. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and always remember, your wealth is within your reach. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep growing, keep investing, and stay financially intelligent.